Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Poonam Avasthi. Today in this GK class, we are going to discuss chapter 12, Knowing the Law. Please refer page number 29 for today's video. And yes, in case of any further doubt, feel free to write to me in the comment section. And otherwise, you can discuss all of your queries in the upcoming online class. Students, don't forget to check description box for current affairs PDF. Okay, so let's begin today's topic of discussion, knowing the law. Welcome all of you in GK class. Today we are going to study about important terms of the law. Please refer the chapter Knowing the Law, page number 29 for today's video. Laws have a great importance, especially in democracy, where the state wants to give the best to its citizens. Laws no doubt limit us in doing something, but at the same time they stop others from doing anything against us. Think for a while, if there are no laws to regulate traffic on the roads, what would happen? Confusion, delays, accidents, etc. Yes or no? There are different persons, organizations which play important part of administration. An important pillar of the administration is the police. The main functions of police are enforcement of laws and maintenance of order and peace, investigation of crime, collection of evidences, etc. Now students, imagine if you are in danger. What will you do? You will call the police. Yes, they will protect you from danger. But when will the police start the investigation? The police starts investigation after the FIR is filed. FIR, First Information Report. It is the information recorded by the police officer on duty. This can be filed in the police station of the concerned area where the offence has occurred. Now see the procedure for filing the FIR. First, go to the police station. Second, narrate the details to the police. Third, the police will record it in daily diary. Fourth, sign the FIR. And fifth, get a free copy and you are done with it. Then the police may arrest the person against whom the complaint has been made. The police then produce the accused before a magistrate or judge, who will decide whether he or she should be granted bail or not, because the police cannot decide whether a person is guilty or not. A fair trial in the court of law is must. The magistrate may send the accused to the judicial or police custody. Judicial custody means that the accused is technically in the custody of the magistrate and the police can only ask questions to the accused after taking the permission of the magistrate. Students, do you know a charge sheet is prepared by investigating officer IO, stating the details of investigation, which is a formal document of accusation prepared by the police. Now students, please have a look to some more important terms of the law. Verdict. At the conclusion of a trial or proceedings of a case, a judge gives the verdict. Acquitted. The accused may be called as guilty or not guilty, or we can say acquitted means to get free from a criminal charge by a verdict of not guilty. Next is convicted. If the verdict is a guilty verdict, then the accused is convicted. Sentence. The judge, when pronounced the sentence or the details of the punishment and prison term or period, this is called sentence. Rigorous punishment. If this type of imprisonment is specified, then the convict will be subject to hard labor under difficult conditions. And now the last but not the least for today, capital punishment. The convict as per the offence may be given capital punishment, the death penalty. This punishment is called as capital punishment. So students, this is it for today. We have studied all important terms of the law. In case of further queries, drop your message in the comment section, or we may discuss all your doubts in the upcoming online class. My dear students, as you all are aware about GK exam in October month. So don't forget to check description box for current affairs PDF. It is going to help you a lot. And yes, don't forget to like and share the video. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.